almost in the last. So we covered the national and state SOC. So NCCC is a national SOC, so National Cyber Coordination Center, as the name says. So it's basically a SOC of SOCs. So all of the SOC of PSUs or some organization. So we cover them. So it facilitates coordination activities between multiple distinct SOCs. Okay. So we can have a sectoral SOC also. Suppose one SOC for all the banks, one SOC for all the maybe regulators, one SOC for maybe oil and gas sector, one SOC for maybe transportation sector. So above that, all of them, there has to be a national SOC. So it can take data from these sectoral or individual SOC. Okay. So these national or state level SOC does not have the visibility down to the end host. So basically, an organization SOC will have the visibility till the end users. Okay, so end device also full packet and full data is being captured by the organization SOC. But if it's a SOC of a SOC thing, so that doesn't have a visibility over to the end user. So it has a visibility till the organization end firewall or end router, basically the edge devices. So basically for this national or state SOC, one organization network is a point. So all the devices that are at the edge, the network devices. So basically we capture data from them, not from the internal. Okay, so though internal devices send these data to their SIM, and the national level SOC or the state SOC can capture from SIM also or from the edge devices, but not from the end devices. So it serves as a distribution of for cyber threat intelligence, best practices and training. So as CERT does, you already know, and provide situational awareness across the cyberspace. So what all being done at the current time in Indian cyberspace? So any attack is there, or a big attack, or a breach is there, or some application has been hijacked by some So these are basically situational awareness things that is part of the national or state SOC. Then coordination with other national SOC. So international cooperation is also very important topic. So we need to get more and more of a cyber threat intelligence. So we need to have a better sources for them, and international SOCs or international certs, they collaborate with each other. So they provide and they share regularly threat intelligence among each other, so that everyone can have a secure cyberspace. So this is one example of APSOC. So it was operationalized in 2018. Its work on the line of certain only, and extends the cybersecurity cover to all the state government entities. And this is the images of APSOC. So thank you. So this is the Security Operations Center.